Hello guys, I'm Bharat, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today was a day where we market exactly opened basically near our target, and from there we saw a sell-off in the market, right? And that's why I said wait for price action before taking a buying position, right? Because if you see, I said that yesterday also that market may go up and then trap everyone and then start coming down. So always wait for price action and only then go ahead and take a buying position. So if you would have waited for price action, you would have gotten a good trade. Again, if you would have not also taken a trade, that is also fine in the market, right? But today, if we see now, the market is at a very crucial zone. Either the market will continue to move up tomorrow and go above 46,050 very fast, or the market will open with a gap down and go below 45,600 very fast, because now the market cannot sustain on either side, right? There are buyers and there is basically a lot of people have kept their stop loss at 46,000 over here above this level, and a lot of people have kept their stop losses below this level. So now a lot of stop losses have started to accumulate in both of these areas, right? So most probably market will move good tomorrow, right? Either on the upside and on the downside, and tomorrow will be a trending day. Chances are very very high, right? So for tomorrow, the level that needs to be watched out in Nifty will be 22,020, right? Above 22,020 is where we will get aggressively bullish, because then the market will not hold these levels. Chances are market will go ahead and close at a new all-time high, close near a new all-time high tomorrow, right? Before that, but you can start making positions about 21,980 also. So I'm going to tell you everything. First, let's start with Bank Nifty. Now, Bank Nifty, if you see at the, today opened with a gap up, straight up opened near 46,000 and all these levels. And as I had said, if you are opening near 46,000 and all these levels, wait for a little bit of pullback and only then go ahead and take. Once you're seeing that market has come near this zone over here, basically yesterday's closing, and then once it has started to make positive price action, only then go ahead and take a bullish trade. Do not take a bullish trade before that, right? But again, if you see this type of selling, I wasn't really expecting. I was expecting maybe market has come over here, now it will consolidate over here and then go up, right? But this type of selling shows me something that, maybe the market is might not be even ready to go up as of now. Maybe the market might go down. So tomorrow two things can happen, right? Either we open flat and start crossing 46,000 and 46,035. That is when we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Our target will straight up be 46,300 first of all, right? Because this is the place where the market will then actually you can give 46,200 for safety, because this is the place where the market will take a good rejection from. And then chances are that if market consolidates over here for some time, then we could see very well see a closing above 46,200 itself, because uh, the bulls would want the market to go out of this place very fast, right? So that they can take control of the market, and then we can see another up move till 46,800 also on the upside, right? So that is for tomorrow, what we can do over here. On the downside, if we, let's say, if even if you open the gap up, let's say near 46,100, 46,050, all these levels, right? Then if we are seeing that market is taking support from 46,000, not going below 46,000, if you see a price action over here, that is when you get a higher high being made over here. That is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here also at higher levels, because maybe market might not come down completely to fill this gap and then go up. Chances are market could very well go up very fast from here, right? On the downside, very simple. Below 45,750 to 700, right? In this 50-point range, once we start seeing negative price action below 45,750, that is when we can go ahead and take a bearish trend. And then we can easily keep a target of 45,200 and 45,400 also on the downside, and market then will try to close near these levels itself, and we probably won't see like a up move in the second half like we are seeing every day, right? So tomorrow if we open the gap down, chances are market will go down very fast and it will try to close near 45,200 levels itself for tomorrow. Maybe not 45,200 itself, but easily below 45, near 45,400 is also very fine, right? Anywhere below 45,600 is where the market will try to close in a bearish way for tomorrow, right? If you open with the gap down. However, if we are not closing, then that means that market is still not ready to go down, and then maybe we might see volatility for another 2 3 days, right? But it looks like the chances looks like that, the chances look like we will see a trending day either on the upside or on the downside, depends on what can happen tomorrow, right? So keep an eye on global markets also. Now Dow Jones is up over here as of now. Nasdaq, S&P, everything is up. So again, I'm not saying that we will go up tomorrow itself. Wait for closing and see how the price action is in the end, right? If the price action is bearish in the end and we are seeing that market has not closed very strongly, both Dow Jones and Nasdaq, then maybe we could again see a sell-off in our markets also, because you do not want to see where Dow Jones has closed and then trade fully according to that only, right? You want to see where Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P will go, right? So that that because anyways the big institution will take positions and anticipating that how Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P will move basically in the evening, right? So again, for tomorrow, 22,000. Now talking about Nifty, 22,020 is going to be very important. About 22,000, anywhere about 22,000, once we start seeing positive price action, that is when we can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. First target will be 22,080, and after that, we can keep a good open target on the upside on till 22,200 also, or we can just let the market go up wherever it goes up, we can let our profits run, right? So first target will be small 22,080, but after that we can keep easily a target of 22,200 also for tomorrow, right? And that is if you open flat and start making positive price action and go up, right? If we are opening with a gap up also somewhere near 22,020, if we are sustaining in the zone itself, right? And then once we are starting to make positive price action, we can go ahead and take a buying position at higher levels itself for tomorrow. But again, wait for proper price action. Do not buy at opening itself. On the downside, 22,880 to 860 to 880 will be an important level, right? Below 860, once we start seeing negative price action, then market is clearly becoming bearish, and then we will not see and then we will not wait for a bullish sign in Nifty. Then we can keep a target of 21,760 first over, and then 21,680 on the downside. These will be our two targets, but chances are market will then try to close below 20 near 21,700 itself for tomorrow, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and I hope you guys understood all of my analysis, and I hope this analysis helps you guys for tomorrow, right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.